Welcome to Share Inspirations, guys. Today I wanted to share with you how I compost my kitchen scraps directly into the flower beds. So something that I want to, before I start, something I want to stress is the part of the garden that you do this, make sure that you're not going to plant anything here for at least 6 weeks to 2 months. And I have different spots in the garden that I know where I've done this at, and I do this for scraps that I have collected for at least 2 to 3 weeks. And this is, before I get started, I wanted to also give a tip. This is how I save all of the kitchen scraps so it's not smelling in the kitchen and there's no flies or anything of that sort. I don't have a compost bin. I never have. This is how I have always composted my kitchen wet scraps. This includes all the vegetable peels, all of the bones, skin, whatever I have that is waste would be in this coffee container. Now let's get started. So what I have done here is I have taken my one of my favorite tools, my auger, and I have dug a hole. And I do this every 2 to 3 weeks when I have this box full. And I have dug a hole. This is about half of it, about 6-7 inches deep. If you live in an area where there's rodents and you think that this is going to get dug up, please make sure it's deeper. I live in a neighborhood where things are built very close proximity, so I don't necessarily have a rabbit or a mice problem here. Otherwise I would have seen things dug up. I have not seen that, thankfully. So this is what I do. I have dug this up. There's nothing planted here. I don't plan on planting anything here for at least 6 to 8 weeks. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of my compost just in this one pile. Oh, the smell of compost is so amazing. And this is what I do. Just cover it up. I have plenty of earthworms in here that will come out and do their job. And this, I'm going to not plant anything here until I check to make sure this has turned into what we call black gold, which is worm castings. Okay, so I just wanted to share this tip. I personally enjoy this very much, only because I don't have to now invest in a compost bin or a worm casting or whatever else. If you can see, there's already a little guy right here. Uh-oh. And I was trying to show you guys a earthworm and my camera fell over. Anyways, guys, it's really windy here, so I better wrap up. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.